Good morning, students. Today we are going to study fourth chapter in chemistry, that is chemical kinetics. It is very important chapter from point of view also and for competitive exams also. Students, in this chapter we will learn about chemical kinetics, rate of a reaction, unit of rate, average rate of reaction, instantaneous rate of reaction, rate law, unit of rate constant, molecularity, order of reaction, half life of a reaction, integrated rate equation, effect of catalyst on rate of reaction, and collision theory of chemical reactions. So, as we are going to study chemical kinetics, let us firstly know what kinetics really mean. What is the meaning of chemical kinetics? So, chemical kinetics is the branch of chemistry which deals with the study of reaction rate or rate of a reaction and its effect on various factors such as concentration, temperature, etc. on them. Now, students, to understand this clearly, let us turn to next page. That is rate of a reaction. As chemical kinetics is simply a study of rate of a reaction. So, we must know what is rate of a reaction. Rate of a reaction is simply change in concentration of a reactant or a product per unit time. We can understood this by seeing the equation. Suppose there is a reactant A which converts into product P. So for this, rate of reaction can be generally given as, you can look here, minus decrease in concentration of reactant upon time taken. That is, suppose at initial time when reaction is starting, the concentration of A will be higher. But as time goes on, that is A is converting into P product, the concentration of A will decrease. So this decrease is represented by the negative sign here. So whenever you have to write the rate of reaction for reactant, it is given by minus decrease in concentration of reactant upon time taken, and for product it is denoted by plus increase in concentration of product upon time taken. You can also see this, you can also understood this, that before, as the reaction is starting, concentration of A will be higher and P will be lower, but as time goes on, concentration of P increases, so it is denoted by a plus sign before it. Okay, now finally the rate of reaction becomes what? Change in concentration of reactant or product upon time interval, and its unit is given as concentration per unit time, and unit of concentration is mole liter inverse, and for time inverse it is second inverse. So the unit of rate is given as mole liter inverse and second inverse. Now students, there are two type of rate of reaction. That is, rate of a reaction can be defined in two ways for different chemical reactions. First one is average rate of reaction and second one is instantaneous rate of reaction. Let us study the two. Here we will discuss about average rate of reaction. Average, you know. So it is simply the rate of reaction which is determined for large interval of time. That is the average value for large interval of time, and its change is denoted by delta. Okay. Now let us see the example. A gives product P. For this rate of reaction, you can understood this as R average. R average. It is not written clearly. R average. It is equal to change in concentration of reactant upon time taken is equal to change in concentration of product upon time taken. You know why the symbolization is there, negative is here, because it symbolizes decrease in concentration of reactant, and plus here it symbolizes increase in concentration of product. Its unit will be same, that is mole, liter inverse and second inverse. The second type of reaction, rate of reaction, that is instantaneous rate of reaction. So it is simply which is determined for a small interval of time, that is the rate of reaction at a particular instant of time, कह सकते हैं क्षणिक भर के लिए. Its change is denoted by small d. So when we have to write rate of reaction for instantaneous, then we will write a small d, and here for average rate we will write delta. Now let's come to point, that is instantaneous rate of reaction. So to understood this, a reaction is there, A gives P. So for this rate of instantaneous, it can be represented as like this. R instantaneous, it is given by minus dA upon dt for reactant, and it is equal to minus dP by dt for product. Similar unit for this is also mole, liter inverse and second inverse. So students, today we have discussed about what chemical kinetics is. That is simply the branch of chemistry which deals with the study of reaction rate or rate of a reaction. What is rate of reaction? It is simply the change in concentration of reactant or product per unit time. What is unit of rate? That is mole, liter inverse and second inverse. What is average rate of a reaction? That is rate of reaction determined for large interval of time. What is instantaneous rate of reaction? That is rate of reaction determined for small interval of time. So this is all about today's lecture. In our next lecture, we will discuss the following topics. So student must read whatever is taught to you. Thank you.